What's up, YouTube? Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about another exclusive feature that Samsung introduced for One UI 7.0 that is only coming to certain regions. I really wish Samsung would stop doing this. Sometimes they release features that only come out maybe in certain couple regions like Korea, for instance. Sometimes there's things that only come out in the US and Korea, and that's great because I get them, but then other people don't. This time they've introduced a brand new feature in Routines called Routines Gallery, but it's only limited to Korea in One UI 7.0, but it's a really awesome looking feature. I want to give you guys a preview of it, and I also want to show you some features in Routines that are brand new for One UI 7 that are coming to all regions, so you guys can look forward to that as well. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, if you haven't yet, check out our website, sammyguru.com. Cover the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. We covered this in real time as the story was breaking. We got the update on our One UI 7 device for Routines Plus, and we covered it right away yesterday. So the story's there. If you bookmark the website, we've got a full writing team now covering all the Samsung news you need to know. If you're going to buy a Galaxy S25 device, you can tap the banner at the top of the site. It'll take you here to sign up for our mystery box program. You can get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies as well. Put in your phone number, your email, or both. I recommend both. We send out the link on launch day. All you have to do is order through our affiliate link, verify you did that. We cover the shipping cost, all the product costs of the accessories in the box out of our affiliate income. And it also helps sustain the website and the YouTube channel so we can bring you guys great Samsung content. That'll be below if you're interested. So here's the story. Routines Gallery is a brand new feature that's coming to Routines Plus. And so if you don't know about Routines Plus is an add-on inside GoodLock that enhances what you can do with the regular routines that you have in your stock One UI settings. Now, Routines got some Samsung upgrades with One UI 7 that are not in 6.1.1. I'll show you a couple of those in a second. But Routines Plus just got an update last night that now enables an even further feature that's only coming to Korea. So you see here, version 1.0.60, it actually started rolling out on December 16th, 8.44 megabytes. Bug fixes and stabilization code, that's always there for every app update. Add routine gallery for One UI 7.0. And so I installed this. I don't know why I went back like that, but let's open it. Go to Routines Plus, which is in GoodLock, Samsung's customization suite of apps. And if you open it down here, you'll see it right here. You've got all these other great Routines Plus as well. By the way, I'm working on a full video showcasing the power of the new features in Routines for One UI 7, like the if-else statements and things like that, to show you guys some cool tricks. But you've got location-based quick access, run touch macro, control arrow keys with S Pen, fingerprint to website, so you can put your fingerprint in and go directly to a given website. And this is the new feature with this update, Routine Gallery. So if you tap on this though in the US, you get a pop-up. This content is not available in your country or region. Contact the content provider, which is Samsung, if you want them to add support for your country or region, error code 9904. Now, our writers, Sumit and Abhinav, who are both in India, they also tried this out, and you get the same message in India. And then we went over to the community forums, which actually, if you read our article, someone in Korea shared this. And so you can actually see how this looks if you go to the community forums. It's going to open Samsung members and then tell me that I need to open it in the browser. But if you go to the community forums in Korea, you can actually see what the screenshots look like. So if you scroll down, you see the Routines Plus at the bottom. Here's the Routine Gallery feature. Basically, it's a way for you to upload your routines so that any other Galaxy user can then download it, and you can have a description of how to utilize your routine. You can color code these things. Fantastic. But the people in Korea are saying that it seems like this is going to be integrated with Galaxy to Share, which is also another GoodLock module that allows you to share other things in GoodLock you've been able to do for a long time, certain theme elements, and that's also not available in the US. So a couple of these features still aren't working in Korea, but at least you can tap on it and get in here and see what's going on, and then you can share them to Galaxy to Share. I really wish they would bring this to the US. I don't really know why. It seems like anything that shares GoodLock features with other Galaxy users is restricted to Korea, and I don't really know why that is. However, there is somewhat good news, even though we don't have access to this, and I hope, and I sort of hope and pray, because it's there, maybe by the stable version, they might unlock it for the US and other regions, because it is in the Routines Plus app. But of course, maybe they didn't mean to include it for all regions and we won't have it it'll just give you that error every time. But if you go into routines on One UI 7 in the stock settings, there is some good news. I mentioned this in my long video, but a lot of you probably missed it. If you go to routines and you have a routine like this right here, this is my basic driving routine. Turn on Do Not Disturb when it detects that I'm driving in one of my cars. Because I've got my Q8, my Rivian, when it connects to the Bluetooth, it automatically turns it on. Down here, we now have this option to share the routine as a RTN file, which you can then download on your Galaxy smartphone. A friend or someone, you could upload it, share it with QuickShare, you could share it with your Drive, get a link, whatever, however you share your stuff, and then people can download and utilize your routines, which is something I kind of want to do, is write some articles where I do some routines and let you guys download them, make some videos. So I'm working on a long roundup of routines that I think are useful on one of my other S24 Ultra devices. But you can actually see, let me see if I can show you guys here. This is a S24 Ultra on 6.1.1. If you go into routines in here, not only is the layout different, you don't have a share button or anything in there. There's no share button for your routine. So if you hit charging, you see you've got edit, delete, there's no share, duplicate, block running notification, and disable this routine. So you don't have that anymore. This right here is still the same as you had in 6.1.1, but this share button is new. And so you can still share them, but you can't upload them to this new gallery feature and let anybody download them. You have to share them with a targeted person. It'd be nice to be able to interact with other users, get feedback, and improve routines. So maybe Samsung will enable that in the future. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about this upcoming feature. Would you like to see the routine gallery come to the US and other markets? Make sure you check out the Mystery Box program if you guys are interested at the top of the page, sammyguru.com, if you're buying an S25 device. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.